This is Lightning Motors. We produce one of the highest performance and most technologically advanced motorcycles in the world. Here at Lightning, we've exclusively used Wolfsbot 3D printers for the last 5 or 6 years. We'll print entire fairings, parts of the fairings, hard parts, motors, battery packs. It's probably a shorter list to talk about the parts that we don't print. We became convinced that an electric motorcycle could rival the performance and give a better rider experience than gas bikes. We hold most land speed records for motorcycles at this point, production bikes, and we've raced at Le Mans and won the FIM World Championship. Raced at Pikes Peak against some of the fastest gas bikes and won that first overall. Our process is to first print complete bikes in quarter scale and look at how does the white play over the fairing. Does this achieve the aesthetic that we think we need to achieve? And when we're satisfied with that, then we'll go to full scale. And then often, if it's a carbon fiber part, we'll use that to create a mold, make the carbon fiber part in the mold, and then actually use that on the bike. We've been able to go from concept to CAD, quarter scale, full scale, to part that's actually on a bike that's going out the door in as little as a week. We were working with a mirror manufacturer for our bikes, and the way that the mirror interfaced with our fairing was very, very critical. The angle had to be correct. In using our Wolfsbot 3D printers, we were able to iterate until we had the perfect fit and achieve the appearance that we needed for that part.
And eventually, when it was right, we moved on to the final part, and I would use the 3D printer again to produce jigs so that we could drill the holes correctly and come out with a solid connection.
So initially, we used some other printers and we had a lot of issues with them. So we went out to a lot of other companies and individuals that we respect. There was almost a unanimous advice to try Wolfsbot. Once we started using Wolfsbot, it just changed the experience completely for us.